Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, August 11, 2025. Chris Aquino says sa ilalim sa 6 na buwang preventive isolation sa Tarlac. Chris Aquino, please continue praying kailangan na kailangan ko. Lilisanin na ni Chris Aquino ang beach property na kanyang tinitirhan ngayon dahil nakatakda siyang sumailalim sa 6 na buwang preventive isolation. Ito ay kaugnay ng sari-sari niyang karamdaman dulot ng patong-patong na autoimmune diseases. Sa kanyang Instagram post ngayong Lunes, August 11, 2025, nagbigay ng update si Chris tungkol sa kalagayan niya. Ayon sa kanya, palaging sumasagi sa kanyang isipan bago matulog na baka wala na siyang bukas na masisilayan. Aniya, on purpose matagal akong hindi nag-upload. I have to admit if I told you what was happening, some of you may stop praying because my autoimmune diseases were increasing in number at my life-threatening ailments needed me to make a brave choice. Trust me, it's difficult to accept every night when I sleep that there may be no tomorrow for me. Pagkatapos daw ng halos 2 buwang pamamalagi sa isang beach property na pinahiram ng nagmagandang loob sa kanya, napagdesisyonan ni Chris na sa compound ng pamilya nila sa Tarlac siya mamalagi dahil sa mga bagong gamot na ituturok sa kanya. 6 na buwan daw siyang mag-isolate upang makaiwas sa anumang impeksyon. Patuloy niya, my almost 2 months stay in this private beach property owned by a kind at generous family who want me to regain my health as well as strengthen my faith in God's merciful healing power. I came to a decision I have another 6-8 HR infusion session in 6 days. It's one of the strongest autoimmune immunosuppressants together with my 2 other, one taken daily, and one given via injection will totally wipe out my immunity. I will be in preventive isolation for 6 months. I'll live in our compound in Tarlac, my Cojuangco cousins and I fondly call it Alto. Sinagot ni Chris ang katanungan kung bakit hindi palaging nakikita ang panganay niyang si Joshua Aquino sa kanyang piling. Malaki naman ang pasasalamat niya sa kanyang bunsong si Bimby Aquino, gayon din sa lahat ng doktor at nurse na umaalalay sa kanya. Saad niya, where is Kuya? Since the deaths of his Lola Cory, Lola P, and Tito Noy, seeing me frail, weak, often attached to my 4th drip, Kuya is traumatized, visibly shaking, repeating, Mama get well, I love you. For now he's living with my genuinely super loving cousin. Bim, now 18 has sacrificed much to take care of me. He is heaven's gift, my optimistic adult who reminds me I should never surrender. Gayunpaman, humihiling si Chris ng karagdagang dasal para sa kanyang paggaling. Pagtatapos niya, after a few more scheduled tests at treatments, and my recuperation Bim at I are ready to reveal all at show you everything for the first time. Please continue praying kailangan na kailangan ko. Thank you to both Makati Med and St. Luke's BGC, my doctors, their fellows at residents, the nurses assigned to me in the hospitals, my personal nurses, the many skilled technicians operating the high-tech machinery, and all who continue to believe gagaling pa rin ako, #tuloy ang laban. Ang buong Biyahe y Komida team ay nagdarasal sa iyong mabilis na paggaling, praying hand emoji. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!